Have you ever stopped to think about the profound impact that food has on your health? It's not just about satisfying your hunger. It's not just about nourishing your body. It's about using food as medicine. And I'm a big believer in this. In this video today, I want to give you the reason and my philosophy about why I use food as medicine. And at the very end of the video, I want to give you my tips on what you can do today to make that change and to treat yourself naturally. And stay tuned for the very end because I'll give you my number one tip at the very end. You got that teaser? It's called a teaser, guys. Let's talk about poop. Howdy y'all, Dr. Islam here, aka your poop guru and gut and microbiome expert, a board certified gastroenterologist trained at the Mayo Clinic. Come see us at Gastro for all your GI needs. And if you're looking for more information on food and how it can improve your health, check out my video on the foods that I recommend to prevent colon polyps. So let me tell you about my story because I think my story really plays a role on why I feel like food is medicine. So obviously I grew up in Western medicine. I went to the Mayo Clinic, the pinnacle of kind of medical research and medical diseases. And all throughout my career, I was always taught on how to treat patients, whether it's patients with acid reflux, with abdominal pain, with nausea and vomiting. And commonly we gave patients medications, we treat their conditions, and we got them better. But I always felt that we weren't doing everything we can to treat medicine because, before we had modern medicine, we had food, we had herbs, we had spices that we used to treat patients in the past. Now, I am all for Western medicine. Don't get me wrong. I don't want to get rid of medications, but I came to realize that a lot of GI issues really stemmed from what we ate. This really came home to me when I actually went off on my own because I would treat patients every single day. I would give them acid-reducing medications. I would give them medications to help out with their liver. I would give them medications to help out with their disease process. But I never felt I was getting down to the root cause of why they were having these issues. Why do you have acid reflux? Why do you have colon polyps? What is going on? And I came to realize that it really came down to what we ate and the food that we're eating. And the food that we're eating, it sucks. It is not good for your health. The standard American diet is sad, and it really is true. And I really wanted to change how I wanted to treat my patients because I just want to give you a pill and then, hey, you're good. Good luck. I want to get down to the root cause. And for me, the root cause really is what we are eating. And I really did feel like by changing what we are eating, we can really change how we're feeling and also prevent diseases from occurring. And so I really made a shift in my practice to get down to the root cause of why you're having the issues. Why do you have liver disease? Well, actually is related to what you're eating. Let's treat that as opposed to treating a symptom instead. Why do you have acid reflux? Where it really comes down to what you're eating and how you're eating. Let's treat that as opposed to just giving you a pill. Why do you have abdominal pain? Well, your pain most likely is related to what you're eating. Let's get down to that fix as opposed to giving you a pill. And if we can fix you naturally with changing your diet, your lifestyles, trying some supplements and herbal medications, I would rather do that than maybe put you on a medication. Now, don't get me wrong. There are some patients that need to be on a medication. I will put you on that. No, I'm just kidding there. But yes, I will put you on a medication if you need to be on it, or if you choose to be on it, that is perfectly fine. But if you don't have a reason to be on the medication and we can treat you holistically, that's what I want to do. So how do we do that? Let me give you my tips. So number one, let's start off with the basics. Whole, unprocessed foods is the baseline for what you need to do. So many of our foods are highly processed, and it actually can cause cancers when you eat these foods. They're foods that we enjoy. Donuts, fast food, fries, all the oils, fats, and carbs that are not good for you. The standard diet that we have are full of these additives that are not good for you. So the first thing you need to do is switch your mindset to having wholly unprocessed foods. These include things like fruits, vegetables, whole grains. They're packed with antioxidants, they're packed with minerals, and they're packed with natural ingredients to use your body's way to make you feel better and to use food as medicine. This video is sponsored by Lubbock Gastroenterology. This is my GI clinic based in Lubbock, Texas. Our passion is to give our patients the best comprehensive care in this area. And we try to focus what we can to do things naturally, whether it's a functional medicine approach, a natural approach, or ways that we can tailor medicine to make you feel better. So if you want to see us at Lubbock Gastroenterology for all your GI needs, call this number or contact us through our website. We can schedule you today to get your GI tract back on track. Number 2, we want to incorporate anti-inflammatory foods. Too many of us have so much inflammation going on. Whether it's inflammation from obesity, from stress, from the foods that we're eating, it causes all sorts of irritation to occur in our gut. So the next thing I want to do is incorporate anti-inflammatory foods. These include foods like fatty fish like salmon or mackerel. Lots of berries. Berries are nature's super antioxidant to decrease inflammation. And leafy greens, which are nature's way of giving you the fiber that you need. Incorporating these foods into your diet will decrease inflammation and also allow your body to heal itself. Next, we're going to incorporate foods to change your gut microbiome. The microbiome is the epicenter for everything that goes on inside your GI tract. There's all these bacteria, fungi, and viruses interacting with your environment, with the food, and with everything that's going on to change how everything goes when it comes to your health. And studies are showing that the gut microbiome can not only affect your gut health, but things outside the GI tract as well. It's really the epicenter, your second brain inside your body. So we want to do what we can to affect that. These include adding prebiotic foods, yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut. They include adding probiotic supplementation. They include adding fermented foods. These are the foods that you need to change your gut microbiome and to improve your health. Now, lastly, the big reveal, the most important thing you can do to make your body heal itself is to add as much fiber in your diet. Fiber is nature's foundation for everything inside your health. Increasing your fiber can decrease your risk for developing cancer, decrease your risk of developing heart disease, decrease your risk of developing issues in your brain, decrease your risk for complications, and it can make you live longer. Fiber is the foundation that you need. So adding fiber into your diet every single meal is a necessary component of making your body heal itself. And the best way to get fiber is to have a wide variety of plants and vegetables, which will give you the natural fibers to help improve your gut. I am so excited about changing the way that you live, that you eat, and how your health is. And I really truly believe we can use food as medicine. So here's my call to action for you today. If you are on the bandwagon to change your health, if you want to feel better, if you want to look good and sexy. All right, it may not do that, okay? I'm sorry. Do what you can to use your body's natural ways to improve your health. Use my recommendations, see how it works, and hopefully you'll be living a much healthier and happier life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and newsletter. And if you want to come see me live a gastro, we can find out what we can do to get you taken care of. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, let's talk about poop. Thanks, everyone.